Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate kheer. First, gather all your ingredients including rice, milk, and cocoa powder. Make sure to rinse your rice well, then let it soak for about 30 minutes. This step helps the rice cook evenly. Next, grab a sturdy, heavy-bottomed pot. It's perfect for preventing sticking as we cook our creamy kheer. Now let's get that rice cooking. Add your soaked rice and milk to the pot, bringing it to a gentle boil. Once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat to a simmer. Remember to stir occasionally. This prevents the rice from sticking to the bottom. Continue cooking until the rice becomes tender and the mixture begins to thicken, creating that perfect kheer base.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And speaking of cooking, staying hydrated in the kitchen is key. I love my Oala water bottle for keeping my water cold. Check the description below for a link to the bottle and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
This is where the magic happens. Stir in your cocoa powder and sugar until everything is fully dissolved and beautifully blended into the rice mixture. For an extra decadent touch, add some chopped chocolate or chocolate chips. Let it all simmer together for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing those wonderful chocolate flavors to truly meld and deepen. Almost done. Take your delicious chocolate kheer off the heat and stir in a small amount of vanilla extract for a lovely aroma. Now for the fun part, garnishing. You can add nuts, chocolate shavings, or even some fresh fruit if you like. Serve your kheer warm for a comforting treat or chill it for a refreshing dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.